lot of people have wondered what the pipe is and the boxes on the back of Mo, so I thought it's about time we showed you. So this is it, everyone. Right, so this is the oven. Okay, I'll give you a quick demo. So this is a rocket stove, goes on the end of there, fuel in there, put your biscuits or your buns in there. We've actually baked some biscuits in here, we've baked potatoes in here, we even baked some hot cross buns, but I'm going to save that for another day. So just moving upwards to this is our samovar, which boils water. It's a Russian kettle. I think it's roughly translated water boiler, but I guess we brought this from our home, and the reason we brought this with us because I guess where we live back in Sussex, everyone pops around for a cup of tea with us, and most of our best relationships have been made sitting over a cup of tea and chatting. So we thought we'd bring it with us, and the way we fund it is by all the food that people have brought us, or other meals that people have given us. We've saved the money and we put it in a fund called our CommuniTEA fund, and that's what pays for our tea bags and milk and sugar, so we can share tea with other people. And you know, I truly believe that just sitting down with a cup of tea can solve all of the problems in our world today.
What, even Brexit, Dad?
Well, I think even TNT wouldn't break that deadlock, Gracie, but I still believe that most of the problems in our world today can be solved over a cup of tea.
Surely not world peace.
Well, I think if Kim Jong and Donald sat down over a nice pot of chamomile, the world would probably be a much peacefuler place, Evan. But anyhow, getting back to the point, right? I still believe that some of the world's problems could be solved over a nice cup of tea.
Climate change, Dad. How about climate change?
Well, climate change, Iris, definitely. Because, do you know what? There's nothing more than us Brits like to do is to sit down over a nice cup of tea and talk about the weather. So, if any of you are passing by Mo and you see a little puff of smoke coming out the back, hopefully it's not on fire, but we're getting the brew on. So stop by and we'll put the world to rights. Cheers.